In this video, we will learn how to create folders in a Linux environment. We will cover the basic command to create folders as well as some advanced techniques like creating multiple folders with a single command and creating folders in a different directory. So let's get started. To begin, let's open up a terminal and navigate to the desired directory where we want to create our folder. So I will enter pwd to check my present working directory. Currently, I am in a /tmp/demo directory. Now let's clear the screen by using Ctrl L. The basic command to create a folder in a Linux is a mkdir, which stands for make a directory. Let's see how it works. I will enter mkdir folder 1. By typing mkdir followed by the name of the folder, we create a new folder called folder 1. You can replace folder 1 with the name you prefer. Now let's check if the folder was created. So I will use ls. ls is used for list all folders and files. You can see that the folder 1 is listed. Now let's explore creating a folder within another folder. We can achieve this using -p option with the mkdir command. So I can use mkdir, then -p, then parent folder, then child folder. So currently our parent folder is folder 1 and the child folder we will create is folder 2. By using -p option followed by the path to the parent folder and the name of the child folder, we can create a nested folder structure. This way, if the parent folder doesn't exist, then it will be created automatically. Let's verify if the folder was created. So I will use ls folder 1. Now you can see the folder 2 is listed here. Let's try to create a folder without using -p option. So I will use mkdir folder 1 / folder 2 / folder 3 / folder 4. You can see it is giving me an error like cannot create a directory, no such file or directory because folder 3 is not present here. So to resolve this, I will use mkdir then -p and hit the enter button. Now you can see it didn't give us any error or warning. Use ls folder 1 / folder 2. So here you can see folder 3 has been created. Also use folder 3. As you can see folder 4 has been created into the folder 3. Now clear the screen by using Ctrl L. Now let's explore how to create multiple folders with a single command. To do this, we can use brace expansion in the terminal. So like use mkdir folder. So our directory name will start with the folder, then use open curly bracket, then 2, 3, 4. So it will create 3 folders with name like folder 2, folder 3, folder 4 and hit the enter button. We use the mkdir command followed by the names of the folders enclosed in the braces and separated by commas. This command will create multiple folders at once. In this example, we created folder 2, folder 3 and folder 4. You can modify the folder names as needed. Use ls. If we list the directories using the ls, you can see that folder 2, folder 3 and folder 4 are all created. Like if I want to create a folders up to 10 and every time it is not possible to fit the values by using comma. So what I can do, I can use ... So let's try to create folders from 5 to 10. I will use same command as above. Just replace some values like use mkdir folder open curly bracket then 5 ... 10. So it will create folder which starting with folder then 5 up to 10. If I use ls, you can see folder 5, folder 6, folder 7, folder 8, folder 9 and folder 10 have been created here. Like this, you can create unlimited folder by using this command. What if we want to create a folder in a different directory from our present working directory? We can specify the path to the desired directory while creating a folder. So let's try to create a folder like mkdir /root/test/new folder. By providing the complete path to the directory where we want to create a folder, we can create a folder in that specific location. You can replace /root/test/new folder with the actual path you want to use. Let's verify if the folder was created. Use ls, then /root/test. As you can see, the folder is created in the specified directory. That's it for this tutorial on creating folders in a Linux environment. We covered the basic mkdir command, creating multiple folders with a single command using brace expansion, as well as creating child directory within a parent directory and creating folders in a different directory. Practice these commands to become proficient in managing directories in a Linux.